I don't think I'm going to let him go, man. I'm going to catch hold of his feet and not only in dressing room, but it's been amazing to play with him so many years. You know, one of the greatest players played the game, and well, I don't know what to say. There's so many things to say about Sachin. You know, probably the best Indian cricketer ever played, I would say. And just the milestone, just not only as a cricketer, just as a man. You know, what ambassador of cricket, you know, around the world. So it's just, you know, it's gonna be a very emotional time for the whole of India. I think the person he is, he's a very down-to-earth person. He never showed that he is the great Sachin Tendulkar. He was always, you know, trying to be chirpy with the youngsters, although you were a bit reluctant to go up to him. He's always guided, personally he's always guided me on and off the field about things in my life, and especially, you know, the World Cup journey. So it's been very special for me playing with him. So I can't really express it in words, but you know, I don't know. It's tough for me to see him go. Lots of things. The way he hits the ball, the way he's always still. He's, I think, technically the best batsman I've seen in my career, technique-wise, and how he's been smart all these years to know what bowlers are going to bowl to him. He's always been one or two steps ahead. That's why he's been consistent for so many years. You know, to have such consistency over so many years, it's really tough for any batsman. But it's just something amazing. He's been a God gift to India, and it's going to be very difficult. It's going to be next to impossible for it to be replaced as you know, anybody could replace him as the next Tendulkar. Yeah, definitely special. I've come back after a few months, and I worked quite hard in the off season, and I worked on the mental aspect of my game, and so I would like to dedicate to Sachin, and hopefully maybe just tell him on the phone as well, and my mom. बस यही उम्मीद करता हूँ कि जो अच्छी फॉर्म है उसको बरकरार रखूँ, सिचुएशन के हिसाब से खेलूँ और कोशिश करूँ इंडिया को वापस जिताने की। यू नो, ऑस्ट्रेलिया नंबर 2 है ओडीआई रैंकिंग में, बहुत अच्छी साइड है, तो अच्छी सीरीज होने वाली है। तो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि बॉलिंग, बैटिंग, फील्डिंग से कंट्रीब्यूट कर पाऊँ।